Just a little bit ago, we took some time and we looked at a strategy that we can use to help us when we are trying to solve an addition equation. And now we're going to do a subtraction equation strategy to help us when we are solving subtraction equations. Kindergarten friends, when we are working on math, sometimes we have addition problems and sometimes we have subtraction problems. If we have an addition problem, that means we start with some and we get some more, and then we want to know how many we have all together. But when we're doing a subtraction problem, we start with some and then some goes away, and then we have to find out how many are left. Look at the difference between my addition problem and my subtraction problem. In my addition problem, I have a plus sign. In my subtraction problem, I have a minus sign. So let's look at some problems, and we're going to try to figure out if they are addition or subtraction. Okay, watch Mrs. Jaw's finger. I'm going to touch an equation, and I want you to tell me if it's addition or subtraction. Are you ready?
Addition.
Oh, I like how I've got some friends who are ready. If you are crisscrossing with your hands in your lap, I'm proud of you for following directions. Thanks for doing that. How about this one?
Addition.
How about this one?
Subtraction.
Yes, subtraction. How about this one?
Addition.
How about this one?
Subtraction. Subtraction. Addition. Subtraction. Addition.
Oh, look at it.
Subtraction.
Subtraction. I almost fooled you. This is tricky. I love that you are following along with me because this can get tricky if you're talking instead of listening. So let's look at this really quick. We learned how to solve our addition problems already. Now let's look at what we can do to solve our subtraction problems. First of all, we can see that we start with how many? 3. In this problem, we start with 3. So I'm going to draw 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. But then, guess what? If we are doing a subtraction problem, we start with some and some go away. When we do pictures for subtraction story problems, how do we show that things go away? What do I do to show that they go away? Yes. Do I draw more or do I cross some out?
Cross one out.
Okay, let's look at this problem though. I started with 3, so I drew 1, 2, 3 dots. And then how many do I have to take away?
0.
So do I cross any out or not cross them out? Not cross them out. Then I count how many are left. How many are not crossed out? Kindergarten friends, how many are not crossed out? 3 are not crossed out. So 3, let's do it with our fingers. 3 minus 0, that means I didn't take any away, is still 3. Let's do the next one. How many do I have first? 4. I'm going to draw 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. But now I have to take some away. Look at the problem. How many will I take away? 1. How do I do that, Jalen? What do I need to do to show that I'm taking one away? What do I do to show that I'm taking one away? I could erase it, but I don't want to erase it on my paper. What's the faster way? Yes. Cross it out. So I'm going to cross out 1 dot. I'm just going to cross it out. 4 minus 1 is how many? 3. Let's count and see if you're right. 1, 2, 3. Remember, I only count the ones that are not crossed out. I'm going to do one more with you. Here we go. What number do I have first? 5. So I'm going to draw 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Am I adding more or taking some away? Taking some away. When I see that minus sign, I know that I'm going to cross some out. How many am I going to cross out? 2. Let's cross out 2. 1, 2. How many are left?
4.
Let's count and see. Here we go. 1, 3 are left. Let's try that with our fingers too and see if we're right. Are you ready? 5 minus 2 equals 3. All right, it's time to see what your level of understanding is. If you think, wow, this is really hard, I don't think I can do it at all, show me a 1. If you think, I kind of understand it, but I might need some help every once in a while, then I want you to show me a 2. If you think, this is easy, I know how to draw dots and cross out the ones and then count how many are left, I don't need any help with this, but I want you to show me a 3. Show me your level of understanding. Is it a 1? Is it a 2? Or is it a 3? Oh, I appreciate some of you are really being honest. If you are being silly, I hope you turn it around and decide to be honest because I need to know what you really know, okay? Good luck on your subtraction. I hope you enjoy this strategy and I hope that you play this over and over until you really learn it. See you soon.